Ready to make your own toner? Skin toner, or simply toner, refers to a liquid that cleanses and at the same time gives off healthy juices to your skin. It is ideally meant to be used after washing your face, before you put serum or moisturizer. Your toner can either be alcohol-based or water-based. It is up to your personal preference. So, how to make your own toner? It is very simple that you think, and you don't have to heat it. First, measure your face A and your face B. Then, throw in all the actives and scents. The colorant is optional. Use only water-soluble colorants such as F, D, and C. You will need preservative if you will make water-based toners. But if you will make alcohol-based toner, you don't need preservative because the alcohol will act as one. Just dilute the powders before throwing it in your formulation because, as what I have mentioned in the lecture, some powder won't dilute with water. For instance, if you want to make a water-based salicylic acid toner, the active salicylic won't mix with water directly. You have to dilute it first with alcohol, then mix to the formulation. Now, after everything is mixed, thoroughly pour it in your desired container, stick your label, seal, and you're all good.